In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your search suggestions on Instagram. So if you go and open up your Instagram application and you click on search in the bottom navigation, you'll be able to see all of your recent searches. Now, obviously, we can delete these just by clicking the cross icon next to each of them. And that's one way you can go and remove your Instagram searches. Now, another thing that you'll find is if I click on the search box at the top and I go and start typing in a name, you can see now we get all of these different suggested accounts. Now, you can't go and remove these entirely, but what you can do is reset your account so these searches are no longer personalized. Now, you can do that by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, click on the settings bar in the top right, scroll all the way down until you see content preferences and click on this, and then select reset suggested content, and this is going to remove all of the personalized suggestions from your account. So click on next and click on reset suggested content. Click on reset, and the next time you go and search for something on Instagram, it's no longer going to be personalized. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.